Athaki magana meri na makuiri mihuko ya miti ya guthaka ngobu nio mekinyire kiharo-ini kia Muthaiga kunyita itemi ikirika-ini ria gatatu ria muthako uyu uria urugamirirwo ni kambuni ya Safaricom. Hari marima mothe 18 maria muthaki abatie kuingiria mubira. Manji ya mathire pointi 19 marima-ini kenda ma mbere na acoka kumatha pointi 22 marima-ini kenda ma mwisho. Lucy Njoroge agicangarira mwena wa atumia mathire pointi 40 na ahota 4 na pointi 1. Manji agikenerera uhotani wake augite ona ndererigagirira kuhotana.
The course was in phenomenal condition. I think all the professionals at the Kenya Open must have had a really tough time. And yeah, I think good competition all around, and it was a good day out.
Gushani ni Fuad Abdara niwe uhotanire mwena wa rume na Hit Cape na Banis Ginja. Mahotana gushani ni ya Drive Challenge. Gukuona Keri Mongai yakihotana birika-ini cia aruti wira a kambuni ya Safaricom. Manji ni akuguire igeria ria kwadahura muthako wa gofu bururi-ini na mawega maria marumana na ikinya riri.
When I was growing up, juniors were not as accepted. And I say accepted in terms of juniors were part of the golf club, but they were not a priority. There was JGF was really the only outlet. Like you could play at any course for 100 bob, whatever it was. But in terms of the club themselves, there weren't really a lot of things in place for the juniors. Now I think it's grown to a point where juniors are seen as the future. Like Njoroge playing the Kenya Open last week was. Like it was inspirational. You know, it's the first time we've had a junior or anyone reach that level at the Kenya Opens.
Birika cia Safaricom Golf Tour igukuru igithie mwena wa Nyanza na icoke ithie Machakos na ona ciarikirira ahotani a raũndi show the macemania final-ini mwena wa Vipingo mweri wa kanana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV jitagwo John Kate Wanjohi.